everyone. Finding the perfect lipstick for work can actually be a little tricky. You want something that looks beautiful, polished, and put together, but at the same time, you don't want it to look too loud or overdone. So, in this video, I'm going to share some of my absolute favorite work friendly lipstick shades that are affordable and that look amazing on Indian skin tones. These are the kind of shades you can wear literally anywhere to work, meetings, brunch, or even everyday errands. And honestly, if you have shades like these in your collection, you are pretty much sorted. So let's start with this one from Mars Cosmetics, their Mousse lipstick in shade 05. This is a really gorgeous nude shade. When you see it in the tube, it actually looks quite light, but once you apply it on the lips, it settles into a very flattering tone. It has a slight brown undertone, which makes it perfect for Indian skin tones. It looks soft, elegant, and very effortless. On number two, we have Kiko Milano lipstick, shade 10. And this lipstick is around 1200 rupees, but you can get it for a much cheaper price online. But honestly, it's worth every bit of the investment. The packaging is beautiful, but more than the packaging, I absolutely love the color. It's this gorgeous brownish pink nude. I personally prefer nudes with a bit of brown in them because they look much more flattering and natural on our skin tone. But I love this one too. Next up, I have this lip gloss, which is SLC014, and this is from Forever 52. And even though it's a gloss, but it works amazing on the lips, and the coverage of this is so good that it's just insane. I love this. It almost performs like a lipstick. I love the shine, and the color payoff is honestly amazing. If you want something comfortable but still polished, this one is absolutely perfect. Next up, I have Maybelline Delicate shade. At first, it may look slightly dark, but once you apply it and it settles down, it looks very balanced and extremely wearable. This is again a very work-friendly shade that looks elegant without being overpowering. This one is from Sugar Cosmetics, their new Mask Proof Whipped Cream Lipstick in the shade 11. I absolutely love the texture of this one. It feels comfortable, it doesn't dry out your lips, and it goes beautifully with almost every outfit. Then we have this lipstick from Recode Cosmetics, shade number 08. This is perfect for days when you want to add just a little bit of color without going overboard. It still gives your face a very polished look. Sometimes you just feel like adding a little color, especially if you're wearing something bright. This soft mauve shade from Sugar Cosmetics, shade number 09, is perfect for that. It's subtle, it's sophisticated, and still very work appropriate. Next up, this is Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick from MUA Cosmetics. I'm also absolutely obsessed with this lipstick. This one is slightly lighter, so if you have a deeper skin tone, you can easily mix it with another shade, but the finish and texture are honestly amazing. This one again is from Sugar Cosmetics, shade number 07. It falls in the mauve family, but it's not too bright. It settles into a really beautiful everyday color. Then this one is also from Sugar Cosmetics, one of my absolute favorites. And this is shade number 19, Emma Woodhouse. This is a stunning brown shade that looks extremely flattering on Indian skin. Then again, this lipstick is from MUA Cosmetics in the shade Heartfelt. This is a very beautiful nude shade and it looks extremely elegant. ASA lipstick. This lipstick is a lovely pink brown shade. It's one of those colors that instantly brightens your face, but still looks very natural. Then number 14, we have ELF lipstick. I also recently started using this one from ELF Cosmetics and I really love the finish. It's subtle, comfortable, and absolutely perfect for everyday wear. Last but certainly not the least, we have Love Child by Masaba, and the name of the shade is Nimbu. The shade is very balanced, not too bold and not too light. The name itself is very adorable. So these are some of my favorite work-friendly lipstick shades that look beautiful on Indian skin tones. Let me know in the comments which lipstick shade is your favorite because I'm always looking for new ones to try. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, save, and subscribe.